I realized that life today is really difficult to its core. And honestly, it can be deeply disappointing. Despite it all, ang masasabi ko lang ay nakakapagod na talaga ang lahat. Sa kabila nun, we should always be kind to ourselves. Not merely nice, but genuinely kind. Especially during the moments when we feel like we are falling behind or losing hope. Disappointments and other painful things may never cease to exist until the promise of God comes to fulfillment. But even then, we continue to hold on, move forward, and trust Him. Kaya natin to. Kaya natin to lahat. Hindi lang para sa ating sarili, kundi para kay Lord. This is me, Kier, reminding you, it's okay to rest, to feel tired, and to take things one day at a time. God is not finished with you yet.